Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So we have just launched a Android and iOS app. Of course, iOS app is not yet ready. It will take another 1 week or 10 days. But Android app is already functional, and you can find the link on the description below. And what is the objective of developing an app and why I should bring it to you? So there are two objectives. The first objective is that we want to grow this community. So it's just a baby step now. We have just developed an app and we have put some premium content. I will talk about that in a few minutes. But the main objective is to grow this community of option sellers in India. We are planning to integrate backtesting, or we are trying to integrate many other facilities which you are paying now. Maybe we are planning to bring all these things free of cost, and maybe we are in talks with famous option sellers. We are planning to conduct free webinars which is accessible only from the app. So there are lots of things and there are lots of ideas which we have, and if you, in case you have any idea also, you can let us know on the comment section below. So that is the main, that is one of the objective, to grow this community of option sellers so that we can interact with each other, we can interact with like-minded people, so that you get a exposure, or so that you get a premium content, or you get something which is not available in the public domain, right? So this app is in the process, it is fully functional, but we will integrate many things which I have told earlier, one by one, right? So developing an app is not an easy thing. It will cost money, and we will have to bring in many IT people, and you know what is the process. So I don't want to go into that. So if you want, you can download the app. The link of the app is on the description below. Apart from that, if you may know, we also provide premium content. So what is the premium content means? We provide training. I'm a trader as well as a trainer also. So every weekend we have live workshops, which till now I have not advertised. So if you have been following us, you know that I have never mentioned in any of the videos that I am conducting workshops. That is because we were already full, and every weekend we were full, and we didn't expect so much response from you people. So we were full and we were not able to handle the volume, and because everything was manual. See, if you want to take a workshop, you have to call us, you have to WhatsApp 2 or 3 times, then we will get back to you after 2 or 3 days, then you will have to make the transfer, then it's a very, very lengthy process. And since we were overloaded, we didn't want to advertise, or we don't want to promote our workshop. But now, since we have the required infrastructure, everything is kind of automated. So whatever details, if you want to take the workshop, or if you want to take the mentorship program which is available in the app, is now automated. You can see the details of the mentorship program and the workshop in the app. So if there is no necessity, you want to take the mentorship program or our workshop, it is purely up to you. But still you can download the app. We are planning, as I told you, we are planning many useful contents which will be of help to you. So that is why I want to tell you, as always, we started with a very small community. We are now more than 21,000 subscribers. I wouldn't say we are big, but we are growing sustainably. right? I'm a guy who believes in sustainable growth. I don't want to grow overnight. We grow slow and steady, that's what I mean. We have to grow slow and steadily at a sustainable rate. So that is what is my policy, and that is what I believe. So, if you want, as I told you, if you want, you can download this app. Link is on the description below. As of now, only Android is available. It is available only in Google Play Store. Uh, Hopefully, in next 1 week or 10 days, it will be available in iOS as well. Thank you for watching, and thank you for supporting me for all these days. It's because of you we have grown this much. So thanks again. Take care. Bye.